Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richmond County in southeastern New York until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Huguenot, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Huguenot and Oakwood around 5:05 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The coastal waters for